OptionsDesigner is a tool for creating, valuing, and charting derivative strategies including forward and option contracts. In order to show the main features of the software, we will work with a simple example. One popular strategy used to profit from low levels of volatility is the Barfly combination. This strategy involves positions in options with 3 different strike prices. It can be created by buying a call option with a relatively low strike price, buying a call option with a relatively high strike price, and selling 2 call options with a strike price halfway between the first 2. Okay, now let's create a Barfly combination using OptionsDesigner. To begin configuring this strategy, let's select a long call option from the palette and change its strike price to 90. Press the Add Contract, and now we have a plain long call in our profit and loss chart. Now let's add our first short call with a higher strike price. Let's assume an At the Money option with a strike equal to the spot price. As you may see, at this point we have a bullish spread combination. Let's finish the Barfly strategy by adding 2 additional contracts. One short call at 100 and one long call at 110. The Barfly is ready. Here we're looking at the profit and loss profile of the strategy at the initial time t equals 0. But if we move the time slider, we can interactively see how the strategy profile changes. Given that all the options here are 1-year options, when the slider reaches t equals 1, all the options expire and we can see the usual broken line graphic typical of expiring options. Besides calculating prices using the Black-Scholes model, OptionsDesigner can produce charts depicting the strategy Greeks. That is to say, strategy sensitivities to changes in the parameters. In the Greeks tab, you can monitor risks such as delta, gamma, vega, theta, and rho. There are 2 different graphs that can draw any of the Greeks that are in the selector. For example, you could draw the gamma in the left side graph and the rho in the right side graph. Greeks are also tied to the time selector, so when you change the current time, Greek simulations are recalculated. Thank you for your attention. Hope you enjoyed this video.